Well, so far today, they've had at least 5 questions, 5 notes coming out to the judge. In one, they asked, if we can't come to a unanimous decision, what do we do? The judge, Jan Alexander, sent them back to deliberate some more. Also, earlier, another juror asked if the verdict sheet could be translated into Russian so that he could understand it better. The judge told him to rely on his English abilities. Here's what the defense attorneys are saying about the jury's attentiveness.
They were in it. They were in it wholesale. They had complete buy-in. They wanted to get to the bottom of this.
And now jurors are deciding the fate of his client, Dante Harris. During closing arguments, prosecutors again tried to tie Harris with 3 other co-defendants accused of burglarizing homes, calling Harris a primary actor or accomplice and the getaway driver. Deputy State's Attorney Robin Coffin said the burglaries were a well-planned, well-executed series of crimes. She added, they are going to addresses where not one of them lives. Coffin said Officer Amy Caprio was investigating the burglaries and a suspicious vehicle when the stolen black Jeep hit and killed her. She didn't throw herself in front of the Jeep. She was doing her duty, Coffin told the jury. As for Dante Harris, Coffin said he made his decision. She was in the way, and the only way out was over her. He didn't know he ran Officer Caprio over. It defies logic. The defense told the jury prosecutors didn't prove their case. He asked jurors to put emotion aside, do their job, and follow the law.
It's tough, I mean, it's a highly emotional case, and we ask that they divorce their emotions and just base their decision on the evidence and the law that the judge gives them. You just never know for sure.
As for his client,
and I've come to know him over the last year and know that he's a sensitive kid, that he does feel the pain of having taken someone's life, and that's going to be with him forever. So it's just sad all the way around, and I just pray that God, heal the souls of all those that are attached to either Officer Caprio or Dante Harris.
Now here's what jurors have to do. They must first consider 2 counts of first-degree burglary. If they find Harris guilty on those counts, then they move to the felony murder charge in Officer Caprio's death. If they find Harris not guilty of the first burglary counts, then they cannot consider the felony murder charge. Reporting live from Towson, Barry Sims, WBAL TV 11 News.